Hello and welcome to Toothless Tesla. This video will show you some benefits of a Tesla when faced with very hot and sunny weather. It's the end of May and we are having a heat wave here in Hong Kong. It's high noon and I'm not sure why I'm outside, but it's 35 degrees Celsius or 95 degrees Fahrenheit. It's the hottest day of the year so far. As you can see, there is a lovely BMW i8 in the shot. It's a rare car which is a PHEV or plug-in hybrid electric vehicle and is no longer in production. I don't like plug-in hybrids, but I must admit that the design of the i8 is superb. It's so hot out that the driver has put up an external sunscreen cover on the front, which is peeling off because it is so hot. Anyway, the i8 is an iconic car and the doors of the i8 are also eye-catching because they slide up. Along the same road are three Teslas parked in a row. The first one is a silver-colored Model 3. It also has a sunscreen, but inside. The second Tesla is a standard white Model Y, also with an interior sunscreen. The third Tesla is a black Model Y, which does not have a sunscreen. Unless the owner has switched on the climate control, the interior of the Tesla will be like an oven. Another advantage of using sunscreens is that it helps to delay the natural fading of the car's materials caused by the sun's harmful UV rays. So I recommend using sunscreens and sunshades for your car in sunny places like Hong Kong. It is so hot out that the cats in the area are seeking shade. I noticed that the cats here prefer the ICE cars because compared with Teslas and perhaps other EVs, ICE cars have engines that make enough noise to wake up the sleeping cats and alert them that the car will move off. In colder months, the same cats sleep on the top, that is, the bonnet of ICE cars, where they feel the warmth of the engine. I have never seen these cats sleep on or under Teslas. Cats are smart and they do not go near Teslas in sunny months or even cold days. So now I want to show you what I did when I had to park my Tesla Model S for about 5 hours outside in the scorching heat. You can see that I have entered a public car park, and once parked I will use an interior sunscreen for the front windscreen. I will also enable dog mode to keep the interior temperature at a comfortable 23 degrees C. Some people will choose a lower temperature, but government guidelines recommend to keep indoor temperatures at 23 degrees Celsius, which is a relatively more environmentally friendly air-conditioned temperature compared to the freezing conditions you can find in Hong Kong's shopping malls and commercial buildings that have ridiculously large carbon footprints. Let's see what happens after 5 hours in my Tesla Model S. Okay, it's Sunday at 12:45 and I'm parked. It's quite sunny outside. What I'm going to do is I'm gonna keep I'm gonna put it on dog mode enabled, so we'll keep it on at 22. Keep it comfortable 23 degrees for dog mode. Where's the dog? Doesn't say. Would there be a dog? Okay, when I leave the car, so I've got it on dog mode. We'll leave it on for a few hours and see what the battery is. So it's at, so there you go, we're at 36%. We'll see what happens after a few hours in dog mode. See, it does actually say dog mode. It's not very clear.
at least I'll set it on.
So I've just been preoccupied for about 5 hours outside and have now returned to my car. I've checked my phone and noticed that after 1 hour, my Tesla app notified me that my climate control has been on for an extended period of time. That's a nice reminder, just in case you might have forgotten about your dog in the car. In my case, I don't have a dog, so please don't put any nasty comments below about me leaving a dog in the car for 5 hours. I was just testing Tesla's dog mode for this video to see how much battery it uses up. So here are the results.
28% of the battery, 98 kilometers, and it's now 5:44. So that's the time.
In 5 hours, with the climate control set on dog mode at 23 degrees Celsius, the battery dropped from 36% to 28%, which means 8% of my battery was used. That's not bad, and it's only a loss of 28 kilometers of predicted range over 5 hours. For the rest of the video, I'm going to show you the views from the new Cross Bay Bridge, which, travelling east to west as I am here, leads into a tunnel through a mountain towards Kwun Tong in Hong Kong. I have enabled Autopilot for this new stretch of road. The Cross Bay Bridge is a funny name because we already know a bridge by definition crosses or traverses a defined area. So there's no reason to use the redundant word cross. The defined area the bridge traverses is called Junk Bay, but I guess they did not want to call this new bridge Junk Bay Bridge or Bay Bridge. So they settled with the silly name of Cross Bay Bridge. What do you think this bridge should be called? Please share your comments below. I am also happy you are watching my videos, so thank you. Please do consider subscribing to this channel and hit that notification bell. I have plenty more interesting videos to upload.
Whoa!
I am also happy you are watching my videos, so thank you. Please do consider subscribing to this channel and hit that notification bell. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and chillax.